Hi everyone, it's Matt with AUB in the continuation of teaser series for foundation semester. I have made almost 12 to 14 videos purely for foundation semester, and I have selected the questions on my experience and from the selection of past papers. Just visit my YTC. It is going to work wonders for you, wonders for you. Within no time, you are going to prepare yourself for the foundation semester. Otherwise, expulsion and eviction is your fate. I don't want to be like that. You should follow this. You should utilize your time, little time. Give 10 to 15 minutes to single video, and you are going to work wonders in your foundation semester. Otherwise, you are responsible, not I myself. Okay, let's start. Our question number one. Here, epsilon. This epsilon means universal set. Epsilon means universal set. It is given to us if E is the union of A, B, and C. Here, diagram is also given to us for members of A, 8 and X, members of B, X, 6 and 4, members of C, Y and 4. Overlapping portion of A and B, common portion, overlapping portion is X. Overlapping portion of B and C is 4. And we have given some value conditions. Number of elements in A intersection B is equal to number of elements in B intersection C. Means common portion to A and B is equal to B and C. It is given to us. Part number A. Let me solve for this. Number of elements in A intersection B is equal to number of elements in B intersection C. Look at this. Overlapping portion to A and B, that's X. That's X. Overlapping portion in B and C, that is 4. 4. A intersection B means X and B intersection C is 4. That's our answer. We are asked to find the value of X in that case. So value of X is 4 in that case. Value of X is 4 in that case. What about B? Something typical. In B it is given to us B intersection C complement is equal to number of elements in A complement intersection C. C. How to utilize this? C complement encompasses except C, the whole thing must be present in C complement. C complement means except C, the whole thing is present. Except this circle, whole thing is present. Then we have to intersect with B. Intersect with B. Then common portion of B is going to recover. That is the portion. That is the portion for this. That is the portion. B intersection C complement. C complement is overall. Then we have to restore B. If we have to restore B, that's B. X and 6 except C. We have to restore the portion of B excluding C. We have to restore the portion of B excluding C means X and 6. It is equal to X plus 6. In the same token, C complement, C A complement. A complement means except a whole thing is present. Except a whole thing is present. Then we have to restore C. Then we have to restore C. That is C, complete C, complete C, because it is not overlapping with A. It is not overlapping with A. Means A complement intersection C is 4 plus Y. Is our 4 plus Y. We have already found value of X. That's 4. 4 plus 6 is equal to 4 plus Y. It's 10. Shift 4 here. 10 minus 4. So Y is equal to 6 in that case. Y is equal to 6. X is 4, Y is 6. In C portion, we are asked to find number of elements in universal set. Number of elements in universal set. Instead of X, let me write 4. Instead of Y, let me write 6. Now add the elements. 8 plus 4. 8, 4, 6 plus 4 plus 6. How much? 4, 6, 4, 6, 20, 28. 28, 20, 28. So this is the value of X, this is the value of Y, this is the value of C. Mark my words. They are something. What to do, what not to do. B intersection C complement. Then we have to restore B. We have to restore B excluding C. We have to restore B. We have to take B excluding C. Look at this. That is B. Something is overlapping. We have to expel this thing. B we have to restore, not with intersection C. That is the portion. X plus 6. X plus 6. and in that case A complement intersection C, we have to restore C, that is except A the rest is A complement, except A the rest is A complement, we have to restore C completely. Why? Because A and C have no overlapping portion, because A and C have no overlapping portion. In case of B and C, they have overlapping portion, then we have to take care of this thing, then we don't have to restore 4, then we don't have to restore 4 for B intersection C complement. Okay, cool. Moving to second question. Let me erase this completely. Now, second question from a logarithm and exponential, I have selected for you, especially the static questions and past paper based questions. It is given to us, one equation is given to us, that is 64 times 4 raised y is equal to 16 raised x. It is going to be exponential equation. Why? Because we are interested in the value of x and y. They are present in the power. They are present in the power exponent. That's why they are known as exponential equation. Okay. 64 can be written as 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4 times 4 raised y. 16 can be written as 4 square times x. Okay, cool. Basis are same. They are in multiplication at the powers 3 plus y, and here 4 raised to x. Bases are equal, therefore powers are equal. So we have one equation, 3 plus y is equal to 2x. That's our equation number 1. From 1 we have managed. What about 2? Let's see and find out. 3 raised y is equal to 4 times 3 raised x minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Here presence of 4 is obstacle. If instead of 4 there must be a power of 3, then we have managed an equation like this, because 4 is the hindrance, 4 is the obstacle. To get away with this, find value of x or y, substitute here, and you are going to get through. To take value of y, it's simple one for us. Y is equal to 2x minus 3. Reput here. 3 raised 2x minus 3 is equal to 4 times 3 raised x minus 2 minus 1. No, okay, solve this one. 3 raised 2x times 3 raised minus 3. In the same taken, 4 times 3 raised x times 3 raised minus 2. Here 3 raised x minus 2 can be written as 3 raised x times 3 raised minus 2. It can be written, we can write by using exponent law. Minus 1 same, minus 1 same. Okay, make this exponent positive, shift in denominator, make this exponent positive, shift in denominator. So we have 3 raised to x over 3 cube. Here 4 times 3 raised x divided by 3 square minus 1. Okay, cool. There is 3 cube, there is 3 square. 27 and there is 9. 27, there is 9. Multiply by throughout 27. Multiply throughout by 27. There is no more fraction for you. It will become multiply by 27. 27 times 3 raised to x. 3 cube means it's also 27 is equal to 4 times multiply by 27. 4 times 3 raised x times 3 square means 9 minus 1 into 27. Here comes 3. 27 can be cancelled out. Let me move here. In order to utilize complete space, I have 3 raised to x is equal to 4. 3 times 4. 3 times 4 raised 3 raised x minus 27. Let me check. 3 4. Okay, cool. 3 raised to x, 4 3 are 12 times 3 raised x minus 27. Now it's your simple equation. You can apply quadratic or take supposition or middle-term breakup. We are going to work wonders in that case. Look at this. Coefficient of 1 into 3 2x, that is 3 raised x square. It can be written as 3 raised x 27. Middle term breakup is the perfect setup. 1 and 27. 9 3 are 27. 9 and 3 12. So we can easily manage 3 raised x. I can write 3 raised 2x as this one, minus middle term breakup 9 times 3 raised x minus 3 times 3 raised x plus 27 is equal to, look at this, minus 9 minus 3, 8 are minus 12. Take this one as x. 9 raised 3 raised x, coefficients can be added, 9 and 3 12, 9 and 3 12. Take common, 3 raised x common, Like x square, there remains 3 raised x minus 9 minus 3 common. We have 3 raised x minus, whenever negative symbol we have taken common, change the upcoming all symbols. There's 9 is equal to 0. Cool. Both brackets are identical. Take again common 3 raised x minus 9. 3 raised x minus 9. The other bracket is 3 raised x and 3. 3 raised x and 3. Separate. 3 raised x. 9 can be written as 3 square. So x is equal to 2 in that case. Here 3 raised x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 1 in that case. X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Just manage both these values here to find the value of y. Put x is equal to y is 2 times 2 minus 3. Y is equal to 4 minus 3. 1. Means when x is 2, y is 1. When x is 2, y is 1. What about 1? Put here y is equal to 1. It is something like y is equal to 2 times 1 minus 3. So y is equal to minus 1. When x is 1, y is minus 1 in that case. When x is 1, y is minus 1. Okay, cool. We have solved the second question. The third, the good one. The good one. Selection is mine. Selection is humongous. Selection is going wonders for you within time, with minutes, within no time. Let me erase this. Okay, cool. Moving to final question of the frame 12. Maybe I am forgetting the number. It might be 12 or 15, I think. Okay, one can check visiting my YTC. Okay, cool. Here, final question. Given that 2x square plus 3px minus 2q and x square plus q have a common factor x minus a, where p, q and a are non-zero constants, show that 9 times p square is equal to 16q. 9 times p square is equal to 16q. Here, x minus a is a factor of both. One can say factor, root, satisfy, divides are zeros. They are identical, same. They have same meaning. Factor, root, satisfy, divides are zeros. Okay, cool. It is factor of this quantity 2x square plus 3px minus 2q. From this x is equal to a, we can write a instead of x. It will become 2a square plus 3pa minus 2q is equal to 0. Why 0? Because it is a factor. Factor. This is our equation number 1. What about the second condition? Second condition, x square plus q. X minus a is also factor of this one. X minus a is also factor of x square plus q. So instead of x, we can manage a square plus q is equal to 0. Factor. Now from here, if I manage value of a square, that's minus q, put here, it will become 2. A square means negative q. Negative q plus 3pa minus 2q is equal to 0. Okay, it will become negative 2q, negative 2q, and here it's also 3pa negative 2q is equal to 0. Okay, cool. Minus 2q, it will become negative 4q. Okay, our question is taking shape. For this, shift 4q there. 3pa is equal to 4q. Squaring both sides because there is p square, it is going to be 9p square a square is equal to 4q. Again we are in a position to utilize the value of a square, that is a negative q. We have taken that is the value of a square, negative q. We can utilize also here. So it is to be 9p square times minus q is equal to 4q. Okay, cool. We have a square, it must be 16 here. 16q square, squaring both sides. 3 square 9, p square a square 4q means 16q square. Okay, cool. There is also 16q square. Here manage. Negative 9p square times q is equal to 16q square. Q cancelled out, here remains q. Minus 9p square is equal to 16q. Shift here. Minus 9p square negative 16 q is equal to 0. Multiplying by minus, we have 9p square plus 16q is equal to 0. 9p square plus 16q is equal to 0. That's our squaring both sides. It is given to us x minus a is common factor of this one. So instead of x we can manage a. I have managed a, that is going to be minus 2q plus 3p minus 2. Minus 2q minus 2q, that is our 3p minus 2q minus 2q minus 4q. Okay, I have shifted 4q here. Squaring both sides, it will become 9p square a square, 4 square 16q square, okay, q square. Again, there is again a square, notice value of a square, that's minus q, and we are going to work wonders. Common factor means we can put instead of x a, it is equal to 0. Common factor of this quantity x square plus q, also you can put x is equal to a here, and we have utilized equation 2 and 1 to arrive at the result. It's my tiny effort for you guys in teaser series. Teaser series is going to work wonders for you. Mark my words. Just check and you are the judge. It's all by itself. Next.